Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for government insurance. First, identify the specific program that aligns with your needs, whether for health, unemployment, or other benefits. Next, carefully review the eligibility requirements, which typically involve income levels, age, and residency. Finally, gather all necessary personal and financial documents, like identification and proof of income, to ensure a smooth application process from the start. Once you have identified the right program and gathered your documents, the next step is to complete the application form. Fill out every section accurately and thoroughly, providing all requested information. Then, submit all supporting documents, like proof of income or residency, ensuring they are clear and legible. Be prepared for potential interviews or requests for additional details, responding promptly to keep your application moving forward efficiently. Let's look at a few common government insurance programs. Medicaid provides essential health coverage for individuals and families with limited income and resources. Medicare primarily serves people 65 years of age or older, as well as some younger individuals with disabilities. The Children's Health Insurance Program, or CHIP, offers low-cost health coverage for children and families who earn too much for Medicaid but cannot afford private insurance. To ensure a successful application, always double-check all information for accuracy before submitting. Even a small error can cause delays. Make sure to keep a complete copy of your entire application, including all submitted documents, for your records. This can be very helpful if questions arise later. Finally, follow up on your application status regularly through the official website or contact number to stay informed about its progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.